Hi. So there's been some discussion lately about how a Brender is supposed to close the last couple of inches. There shouldn't be a struggle with it. Basically, you should push it up and push the handle down. So the adjustment of a Brender ramp starts down here. If you look at this piece of bracket right here, you'll notice that there's 3 holes in it. Okay? That is the adjustment for how tight the Brender closes. If you look right here, this one is on the 2nd hole. It's in the middle. And that's what makes this one close right. If there's a problem with your Brender closing, it's somewhere in this area. Some Brenders have struts that go like this, and adjusting the strut forward or backward will make the Brender door close right. I found there's several different lengths of struts out there lately, from 19 to 28. So it could happen that you have the wrong strut, or it's in the wrong place for closing it tightly. I hope this helps. Email me or send me a message if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.